Hi, in this video, we are going to see how to create bullet points that sells and differentiate from your competitors. Uh, some important points about bullet points. After the title, bullet points are the first text your customers see on your product listing. This takes the more space than the title, and it is limited to 500 characters. In some variations, characters limits are varies from numbers. There's some in some category it will be around 200 characters, some category it will be around 250 characters. So I recommend writing the best bullet point you can. Then you will be ready to edit it down if Amazon asks you to do it. The two main functions of a bullet point. The number one is it helps sell your product to the potential customer, and also it gives the keyword relevance for better search ranking. This is somewhat exactly opposite to the title, where title is like more of keyword ranking than about benefits. Here in bullet points, more of benefit oriented than the keyword ranking, keyword relevance. So some guidelines for your creating your bullet points. Tell your prospective customer why they should buy your product. Sell the benefits of your product, not the features. I will show you a listing which I just come across on Amazon. This is one of the collagen powder. I don't know whose brand is. I'm not criticizing anything. I just want to mention this. See, all these points, bullet points, are about the features. Say the collagen delivers 500 mg glutathione in reducing form, 750 hydrogen collagen, vitamin, herbal extract, aminos, and enzymes. Nobody cares about all these names. Most of the people does not know what these names means. What they most care about their results. You have to talk about the results, not the features, like what are all the ingredients or what are all the features it has. You have to talk more about the benefits, like what is the results they are going to get, like getting a flawless skin, or reducing your hair loss, or getting more polished strong nails. But you have to talk about the results, not about the ingredients or the features. So that will be more understandable by a customer. It will create more what do you call, it will make the potential customer to act on it and buy the product. So indirectly call out competitors weakness. You can indirectly call out the competitors weakness. If your competitors are lacking in few things, you can mention it that you have come across those things. We will do that in our review research part. And do not directly name your competitor. You should not mention your name of the competitor on your bullet points. Differentiate your product from competition, remove any risk. Make sure to use all the 5 bullet points. Do not do only 3 bullet points or 4 bullet points. Use all the 5 bullet points available. Next, review research. When it comes to review research, we have done this process in when we are doing our product research. We have to find the pros and cons from our top competitors. I highly suggest you have to do it at least from the 10 competitors listings. What are all their pros? What are all their cons? What people like about their product? What people does not like our product? So that we can mention it and use it on our bullet point to call out the weaknesses, and we can differentiate from our competitor. Make a note of all those things in a Word document that I will show you to in a minute, and we will be using that in creating our bullet points. So what is the bullet point rules from Amazon? Bullet point should begin with a capital letter. Write all numbers as numerals, not as in words. You have to write it in numeric form. Then separate phrases in a bullet point with a semicolon. Do not use hyphens symbols, periods, or exclamation mark. Do not include promotional and pricing information. Do not include shipping or company information. Then now I will show you how to create your bullet points. So here is the Word document that we have created our title in the previous video. Then you make a space for your bullet. Then you make some space for your description. Then we will go to our competitor listing and do a research and come out with the pros and cons. I have done it from two competitors. I suggest you do it from at least 10 competitors so that you will understand better. You have to group them into some categories. But most of the reviews will be talk about their nails, skins, some characters like energetic. Most of these say here, so many people said like a very good product for skin and hair. Some people said this collagen helped revive my skin, nails, and hair. The best supplement for hair and skin. Repair skin and won't loosen up. All these phrases I have copied from the reviews related to hair, skin, and nail. Then these phrases I have copied from the reviews in terms of energetic. So some people say I feel more energetic throughout the day. One said I love it. My whole day become energetic and fresh. Another person said, I have been having this since 15 to 20 days now, and I can easily I can see the change in my energy level. So I have done it for both the pros and cons. In the cons, I found some people said there is no FDA approval. They don't know whether it has been tested or not. Some said the taste is so pathetic. So many people said the taste is not good. They taste like amla. It tastes really horrible. They talked about taste, and some said it is allergic. Some people got allergic pimples, pigmentations. Most of them. So I found the pattern in the reviews and collected all the sentences which relates to hair, here, and energetic. This comes in pros and this comes in con. Then I have created a 5 bullet point which looks like this. In the first bullet point, we can start with a pro, or you can start with a negative thing. You can tell them it is allergic proof or 100% safe to consume. We have found more people are talking about skin and nails, so we have created a bullet point like this. Collagen is the main protein that gives your skin elasticity. A collagen boost can help you improve your hair strength, because people will come here to buy collagen not to find what ingredients they have. They come here to buy this collagen product to improve their hair or their nail or their skin. They want these kind of results, so we will have it here. But we can remove the risk from it. The people might think whether it is approved or not, whether they will have any side effect, whether this have been certified and tested. So we will have this as 100% safe to consume. This product has undergone thorough safety check and has been manufactured at FSSAI or ISO certified units. If we have these certifications, we can mention it, or whatever certification you have, you can give it here. Next will be so many people talked about the taste. They said it is not taste good, so we make it a point here. Taste delicious, and this collagen powder, when mixed with 300 ml of water or milk, makes a delicious protein milkshake. Drinking it in a morning for your breakfast or post workout to boost your energy level. We have also touched on energy levels, and here we have talked about metabolism and energy. And in the last bullet point, we have talked about uh, allergic proof. So we are trying to cover all the pros and cons in the 5 bullet points, and you have to make sure all these are under 500 characters. You should not use hyphens. You should use semicolon wherever is possible, or you can simply make it a space and leave it. You don't need to use any separator. So once you have done with this, then what you have to do is you have to use our word counting website to count whether this has less than 500 characters. Once that is done, your title is ready. Now your bullet point is ready. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create the description. And you will also have to mark our Excel sheet with our single word keyword. What are all the keywords which we have used here in this bullet point? In the next video, we will create a description. So I will catch you in the next video. See you. Bye.